Andreezy. Ano ko ay? Ang luod na ko kay nahulot na akong itlog. Ang luod na ko kay nahulot akong itlog. Wala ko sudan. Nang luod na ko kay wala na ko'y sudan. Ngaon ray. I miss Bolbol. No is gone. It's going to say I'm making one of the future about the level of habit to it. I miss Bulbul. How are you, Miss Bulbul? The people of Cambodia are very kind and gentle. They love and stranger. Feel free, like and subscribe everyone. Hit the notification for more updates and be respectful for you. Your support. Hi to them I'm good because I'm living outside and I was studying school. I don't know when I'm back to life.